Beautiful moving people, welcome back to a new video from the windy from the windy northernmost point of Spain. Anyways, yeah, today we're moving on. Spent here a couple of nights, and here are some beautiful cows and their families. So yes, the idea is to head now, let's say like this, that we reach this spot, we're going to be heading towards the east, if we take the compass very, very roughly. So yeah, I found a spot which we would be visiting. Yeah, the cows. Alles gut. Alles gut. And here we are back. Yeah, a spot. Oh, they are so cute. The babies. Anyways, bye bye. Yeah. Called Praia de Catedral or something like that. Sounds very I don't know why I'm doing this, but it sounds nice. So yeah, we're gonna be taking the coastal road along the coast as far as the name says. And yeah, need to for sure make a stop at a bigger city or at a shop at least. Fill up our supplies. I'm going with like a minimal, so like every 5 or 6 days it's like yeah, time to do that. And blah 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 blah. Welcome back to a new video. I told it, and let's go. The way. I just realized that this spot, I stopped at this spot. Wait a second. 1 minute. Okay, here we are, and it's super windy. Wow. But yeah, what I wanted to tell you is I realized, because there is a big agricultural spot there with the tankstelle, with the petrol station, and this is the spot where I parked 5 years ago on the super extreme fast way back to Germany. It was raining, 3 days driving. Amazing that it's here. I didn't even know. Anyways, yeah, oh, that was 3 days of raining, pure rain, or more, 4 days. You know, the one windshield, you know, the only windshield that worked was that one. So no windshield. Here, this. How do you call it? Only the one on the right was working, not on the left. On the left, it was like. Oh no, it was an adventure, I'm telling you. Night driving, raining. Anyways, it's windy. So the first idea that I had while driving here is that we're not going to be spending the night here. And yeah, after now being here 2 minutes, I think it's much better to move on and head to Asturias today. Huh? What do you think about it? Maybe we find a better spot to stay the night. It's for sure super windy here, and there is no internet. So yeah, no chance. Tomorrow I have to work, so yeah. Better find a nice spot to maybe be a bit without wind for a moment. Anyways, let's have a look at the Catedrales. Praia de Catedrais. Hey, super windy, Reva. What is this? Turn it down. Take a bit of shelter. Okay, first of all, I think we are at the wrong time. The only thing that is worse would be if there is a storm and rain or a tornado, but also on the day time wise, because as you've seen in these pictures, the arches where you can like go underneath is where you see them when it's low tide. So yeah, I think let's go back in the car. Okay. Barayo. What is this? What is going on? Anyways, yeah, well, nature won again. I love it. At least one very positive thing, except that it's really nice here and the scenery and all this stuff, but I cannot capture it now. I cannot show it to you. If I put the drone up, it will fly away. There are dustbins and also glass bins. So yes, I'm gonna do that. Be productive with my glass recycling. Yes. Well, at least the wind is good for spreading the gaga in a moment like this, eh? Mm-hmm. Good for the new, how do you say, sodiavre, harvest, seeding the heart. Okay, I stop now. I do what might be more productive. Find a spot to go to. Haha. Yes. Nothing is working, no internet. Yeah, we're driving einfach. There is a bridge that will take us into Asturias because it's the borders here from Galicia and Asturias. And we're gonna take that first and then stop somewhere and check our situation. Ah, if you could smell, this scent of gaga. Actually, I think my brain got too much air. You know, it has to make a bit of ventilation. Anyways, let's go. Yopa, we made it, rego bella. Anyways, I parked now at the Parktasche, and I think it's easy. Facing west. Let me show you. I must say I'm pretty knackered. So this is a spot. It's supposed to be a natural reserve, so hopefully we don't get any encounters. We have the train lines next to it, but it's first of all one thing that pops in the eye is the green. how green it is. Amazing. But in the middle of the fields, the antennas of the internet are up there. Full reception. 2 people here. Some neighbors back there as well. And yeah, amazing. Oh, pretty knackered. So yeah, friends of the way, this is the end of the video because I cannot do anymore. We've managed, we are here. In the next one, in the next days, let's say like this, we'll be going down the beach and I'll show you the spot here. Maybe go a hike. And yeah, with this said, I'm leaving you. Have a good one, let's say like this. Wish you all the best. Yeah, stay positive, friends, stay positive. It's the only thing that helps. And see you on the next one, I guess. Leaving you with a time lapse of the inside. And cheers!